Yes, welcome to the Jamaica Young Police channel. To our loyal viewers, subscribers and Patreon member. At the channel, we are a group of law-abiding citizens who believe in the rule of law and respect the rights of every citizen, but not the ones who do not subscribe to such behavior. We do believe in and support preemptive strikes because they save lives. This is a logical conclusion because preemptive strikes save lives and prevent the further loss of lives. We are all about saving lives at this channel. We at the channel aid criminals with a passion and do not want them over here. We do not want your views, your subscriptions, your likes or your comments. Please go elsewhere where the red carpet is waiting for you. Over here, we want you to go to prison or the departure lounge at Madden. Moving on to today's video. Yes, I must admit that we at the Jamaica Young Police channel, I must admit that I am bad mind. I am bad mind, jealous, covetous against Vybz Kartel and being the man, every person, all of the Jamaican them were murder Jamaicans. I bad mind them because I can't do it. I don't believe in it. I believe in the rule of law and I support the police, not the thief in police, them as you know that, you understand. Yeah, so we just want to take this this time before we go on and meet our matter for for big up man. We are heal up some brethren, loyal viewers and subscribers and some of the Patreon squad. Man like Mikey, Robbie, Mark, Tony. Yeah, and big up big up Charlie Mendez, Sagled. Boy, when I think they know say them and the Merville Smith, them and the big way upon them thing there. So we have legacy, you understand, and we don't know where all of them things come from, but we know, we appreciate all of the people them we send out things to we and share it. But look here, we're not in a competition with no one. As as Merville Smith say and them thing there, and Charlie Mendez. We work with one I baddest detective, Ludlow Mowat. So that speak volumes. So we never compete with no one yet ever. And when a total one on, when we say our legacy is there, it's there. We don't have a cult over here. And yeah. So when it just mind boggling, the same. So we can't look here. We cannot tell people to think and how people to talk or whatever. So if you understand what I'm saying. So the same thing that, and we have seen it where some dummies, and the same thing that them do with Mike Beckles. Esther Nelson say Mike Beckles say I am writing things to Mike Beckles and insult the man intelligence. I have no control of what people, how them think and how them write. And they know, boy, may I brainwash people. I'm not brainwashing people. I'm just telling people the truth. So if someone sound like me, I just say, you understand? And we give power to that. We look up to our era. It's like Marcus Garvey. Marcus Garvey, our first era in our music business. Marcus Garvey is our first era when it comes down to philosophy, thinking, decency, ethics. All of Marcus Garvey philosophy is not aligned with these political people in Jamaica. Because Marcus Garvey if you read the Marcus Garvey philosophy, them not go adapt it. Because no thiefing can go on. Because if a man thief, he have to bring back all of them things. Where we are going right now? Yes, alright, so if you look at your thumbnail, you will see that Vybz Kartel compare himself to Jesus Christ and Bob Marley during this live interview. And I can tell you that the Jamaica Young Police channel phone and inbox have been flooded with messages. Warm, Chris, this, that, and all kind of thing. Remember, so we have a life, And yeah, we know so we're bad mind artists, we're bad mind people involved in a crime. Yeah, man, of course we don't like them. That's why we bad mind them. That's why we believe them forgot the departure lounge or prison. Yes. So they must say, boy, so we're going to delve in the meat of the matter. So Vybz Kartel interview, and you hear him argument. And the dangerous delusions of Vybz Kartel. I call to wake up. So we are going to wait and see if the church are going to come out, or civil society, or as usual, everybody just afraid for talk. And if you don't go along with what them are go with, yeah man, then you branded say you're a traitor and you for dead. So it's only two YouTuber. Yeah man, always especially yours truly. I always get death threat every day. Right now I have over 130 odd death threats on the Jamaica Young Police channel phone. Yeah. Even and the people them are welcome new way now when they might use that thing on them voice to text, them not use them phone number, but them so stupid, them don't even know say they can be found. You understand? Because you have to register on them thing, you know. But you see the reason why Uncle Sam do all of these things. Them don't even know. Uncle Sam do all of these things for you to hide the number because they want to know who are criminals. Uncle Criminal hide them information. Dummies, I tell you that. So in this interview you will hear something genuinely alarming. Adija, Vybz Kartel Palmer, that are the bullfrog, comparing himself to Jesus Christ and Bob Marley. Yes, you heard that right. Kartel argues that he can compare himself to any man who have ever walked on this earth, placing himself alongside two of the most revered figures in history. Well, he may talk about Marcus Garvey because if Vybz Kartel had read any of Marcus Garvey book, he wouldn't utter all of these things out of his mouth. And Vybz Kartel would not kill people before him go to prison, and even when him in a prison. Because Marcus Garvey teach you as a black man if you love yourself. Him not gonna like Marcus Garvey because Marcus Garvey is antithetical to everything we promote. But you know in Jamaica, positive things don't sell, you know, negativity and destruction. That's how our society is built. So those who are trying to fix it, you are going to say, yeah, as a foreigner, as somebody who's foreign, and even people who are supposed to support the positivity, no, because if you do that, you know, you are going to become less popular, and you are going to be labeled, and people afraid of label. We're not afraid of that. We are first police in our history of Jamaica Constabulary Force. We are biggest and the baddest informer. Ask Cowboy and ask Ox. We are the first, and you understand, biggest and the baddest informer. Ask Cowboy, ask Ox. We know all kind of people. So when I have called out this man as the epitome of evil, Vybz Kartel, some have accused me of being jealous, bad mind, or envious because of his wealth and influence. But this is not about jealousy. This is about recognizing the dangerous part that Vybz Kartel is leading our society down. So now them release him out now for unleash the jackal on the people, and now even turn up in Jamaica. So support a respected voice in our community would agree that the reason Vybz Kartel holds such a tight grip on the minds of many poor Jamaicans is that they have been systematically neglected and misled through no fault of their own. These individuals have been deprived of education, opportunities, and support needed to rise above circumstances. Vybz Kartel prey on this vulnerability, exploiting it to build a following willing to overlook or even embrace his dangerous rhetoric. So we are going to ask you at the Jamaica Young Police channel, do you believe in God? A reflection of faith and belief. Do you believe in his son Jesus Christ? A God we are talking about, we're not talking about no Vybz Kartel, we are talking about God, the creator of all living things, of the earth, the universe, the stars, the solar system. Yeah, you have some people I tell about, so, oh, no God not there, because everything God never no build nothing, and we have a man have to build it. Because God give man the knowledge. That's why God want you to think. That's why you think our ancestors came up in Africa with huts and then they build pyramid. Because God give them the knowledge. So when some people say, boy, God not there. Just like how them create the Suez Canal in Egypt, God give them give the black man that mind to do all of these things. So I want God forgive you, ready done. Because you don't want God to be socialistic. Not even God is a socialist. Because God wants you to think and work. Because if God is socialist, He just give everything. X-ray machine, computer. That's why God make man think. So that's why we ask you, do you believe in God? And we say, which God? Because some of these people, when I tell you, every murderer, every killer that I have known during my life, growing up as a police officer, every murderer, every killer where I know, are people who carry God the departure along. Always have a little blue Bible in the back of them pocket. And them are a Christian. So I wish God them believe in. Wish God. So that's why we said, do you believe in His Son Jesus Christ? So one God we are taught Jehovah. So Rasta say Jah. So these questions touch the core of our existence and have been asked throughout the ages, shaping lives, cultures, and civilizations. Whether you do or don't, your belief are deeply personal, a reflection of your thoughts, experiences, and journey you have walked in life. But let's take a moment to consider what beliefs mean. Because some people don't know beliefs, what it mean. The power of belief. Belief is more than just an abstract concept. It is the foundation upon which we build our understanding of the world. It shapes our values, our decisions, and the way we interact with others. When you believe in something, whether it's God, that are Jehovah, and His Son Jesus Christ, or a cause, or even yourself, you are committing your heart and mind to it. This commitment has power to influence your actions, your purpose, and ultimately your destiny. Belief in God. For those who believe in God, this belief offers a sense of purpose, guidance, and comfort. It provides a moral framework, a source of strength in times of adversity, a hope that transcends the challenges of this world. Belief in God is not just about adhering to religious practices. It's about embracing a relationship with a higher power that can inspire us to live with integrity, compassion, and love. Vybz Kartel now none of them things there. Vybz Kartel is an empty vessel. Vybz Kartel is a walking dead. Vybz Kartel is a bullfrog. For Christians, belief in Jesus Christ is a profound acceptance of God's love and sacrifice. It's about recognizing Christ's teachings as a part to living a life that reflects humility, forgiveness, and service to others. Whether you see Jesus Christ as a divine figure or a moral teacher, His influence on humanity is undeniable. What is Vybz Kartel influence on humanity? Destruction. Destruction, destruction, destruction. Immorality, immorality, immorality. Murder, murder, murder. Sodomism, sodomism, sodomism. Jesus Christ's message of love and redemption has touched billions, offering a way of life that values kindness, mercy, and selfishness. Respect for different beliefs. However, belief is not uniform. So I know just one of people in the world who don't believe in a Jesus Christ and don't believe in a God. Some people believe in a cow. Some people believe in a snake. You got India and they have thousands of religions. However, belief is not uniform. It is as diverse as the people holding it. Some find their connection to the divine in other religions, in nature, or in the innate goodness of humanity itself. Others may find solace. I will say solace, it means comfort, in skepticism and secularism, building their moral compass without religious influence. And that's okay. Belief is deeply personal, and everyone's journey to understanding and meaning is unique. We're not telling nobody to become no Christian. We're not telling nobody to become no Rasta, no Muslim or this. But if you have a belief system and you have moral, ethics, decency, love, truthfulness, all of the good things them, you know if you have no religious belief, all of these things are godliness. Godly mean good. It's essential to recognize that belief, in whatever form it takes, is rooted in our thoughts and experiences. It reflects who we are and what we value and how we choose to navigate the complexities of life. What matters most is not our specific beliefs, but the sincerity and integrity with which we live them out. And then you have the impact of belief. Regardless of what you believe, your beliefs have the power to shape your life and the lives of those around you. They influence the way you approach challenges, the way you treat others, and the legacy you leave behind. What guy will compare himself to? Jesus Christ and Bob Marley. When Jesus Christ is the Son of God, and him died for the sin of black people, not for white people, because white people crucify Jesus. And most of them know that. And most of them feel that Jesus Christ is a white man. Jesus Christ is a black man. No white people, no white people. White people kill Jesus. You understand that them crucify him. Remember say European, you know. Remember say when you talk about white domination and wickedness, that's where it come from, Europe. The epicenter of evil on earth. And if you go back to the Buju Banton, over 3 hours we do a video when him, I remember say himself him soul, you know. You will find out how the devil get for reach and hurt. Because God have to chase him out. Because 2 bulls can roll in 1 pen. And God is the Almighty. In a world of uncertainty, belief can be a guiding light, offering direction and purpose. But with that power comes responsibility. We must be mindful of how our beliefs influence our actions and their impact on others. Belief should not be used as a weapon to judge, condemn or divide, but as a force of good to uplift, inspire and unite. A personal reflection. So I ask you again, do you believe in God? And we ask that from the Jamaica Young Police Channel. Do you believe in God? Do you believe in His Son Jesus Christ? Remember say God have a name, you know. God's name in the Bible is Jehovah. Whatever your answer, take a moment to reflect on what you think and why. You must say these people, you know, when they must say God, you know, I'm telling you all the time, you know. You have all gunman, you know, man will kill people and them thing there, and they must say, oh, tell what I tell you, know, because I get away born and grow. Must say, oh, a God save me, you know, when the boy, police, you know, police matter, hey, when the boy shot my friend, you know, and when him shot me, you know, a God make me get to him, that's why I'm not dead, you know. Yeah, I saw them do it. So consider how your beliefs shape your thoughts, action, and interactions with others. Remember, belief is not just about words we say or the rituals we follow. It's about the thoughts we hold in our hearts and how we live our lives. Whether you find your faith in God, in humanity, or in the principle of love and justice, let those beliefs guide you to live a meaningful and compassionate and authentic life. In the end, belief is a profoundly personal journey we must navigate. But wherever that journey leads, let it bring you closer to understanding, kindness, and the peace that comes from the living in alignment with your highest values. But let's break down what's happening here. The delusion of grandeur Vybz Kartel comparison himself to Jesus Christ and Bob Marley is not just audacious. It's delusional. Jesus Christ is a figure of ultimate sacrifice, love and redemption. Though a flawed human being like any of us, Bob Marley stood for peace, unity, and the uplift of oppressed people. Vybz Kartel, in contrast, has built his career on glorification of violence, crime, and a lifestyle that ultimately destroys rather than creates. To compare himself to these figures is an insult to the very ideas and ideals they represent. So we sure say this man is a cult of personality. Kartel influence over the followers, and him say him are the shepherd. Him say him are the shepherd and they are the sheep. Kartel influence over his followers that are the sheep nation is deeply troubling. He has created a cult of personality where his every word is taken as gospel and his every action is justified. This is not a leader's behavior. It's a manipulator's behavior. By equating himself with Jesus and Marley, Kartel attempts to elevate himself beyond criticism, position himself as a figure above law, morality and reproach. This is dangerous, especially for our society grappling with violence, corruption, morality, ethics, decency, truthfulness and honesty, and looking for a leader. Jamaica not a leader. We have misleaders. Some people say, boy, maybe they look a black brother. When we say black, yeah, we have a black, a brother named Nigel. Yes, Nigel Clark. Yeah, them say Nigel Clark. Maybe is the Edward Seaga in the waiting, the black Edward Seaga. But who knows, they might kill him. Because them say they stand for foolishness. Him not appease nobody, no criminals, because him want power. Him is a straight shooter and him say it as it is. So now that them see the leadership in him, them a look on him side here. The root of the problem, Kartel has such sway over many Jamaicans, particularly impoverished communities, because of a deep-seated issues that have long been ignored. Many of these individuals have been failed by the system, or them fail the system. It's not the system fail them. They are lazy, licky, beggy, wanga guts, illiterate. They lack morals, decency, ethics, humanity, honesty, and love. They are dependent on the state. The state them want to provide everything for them. They don't like to read. Everything they say I was told. That's why they are dummies. They have not been given the tool to assess the world around them critically. Because most of them, guess what? They are from the PMP criminal organization communities. Most of them, the most educated people them in Jamaica, in the Kingston metropolitan area, them come from the labor right communities. What is happening in the PMP criminal organization? We don't like to hear the truth, but we are telling you. So reporter rightly points out that they have been conditioned to be lazy, beggy, licky, wanga gut, destructive by nature, ungodly, socialistic, and lacking in love, self-esteem, and vision. Nobody come tell me about Jamaica have the most churches per square mile in the world. Yes, and Jamaica the murder capital for the world. So make that make sense to me. Go to church and nobody will go in a church again. Church now have no relevancy in Jamaica because church are business. Them say all pedophile the pan pulpit a preach. And you see them all in a video with little pitney. I want to tell you say church lose its relevancy. But you have people who they go to church, like even yours truly, I don't go to church again. But I still have all of my values, all of the good things, and I still pray to Jehovah God. Because there's a God. You know, Satan, in case you don't know, Satan see himself as God too. And God on earth. That's why Vybz Kartel and all of them people, that's why them say money is God. To the white man and the black man gobble it up. Right now we don't have nobody where defend this. No. All of them bow. All some of them where you think they were bow. Big time. Cause what? Them want to make money. So this is not an inherent flaw in people, but as a result of years of systemic neglect and exploitation. Rather than lifting these people up, Vybz Kartel exploit these vulnerabilities to further its agenda. He offers them empty promises and false sense of empowerment while leading them down a path that only perpetuates their suffering. So Vybz Kartel, them see Vybz Kartel as their hero, you know. And Vybz Kartel see them as a way to make money. Him even tell them to sell them house. Yes. Him tell them to sell them house for come watch him. And them would do it. Because them not no sense. That dumb is them. You think say him no know? Him say him are the shepherd and they are the sheep. You hear it. Him say it with the Jamaica Observer. So the real heroes, if we compare anyone to Jesus Christ or Bob Marley, and we are going to inject our biggest hero, Marcus Garvey, it should be those working tirelessly to uplift their communities and fighting for justice, peace and unity. The real heroes are teachers, police officers. We don't talk thieving police officer, we talk police officer. And we don't talk about the police, we don't talk about the police we're involved in a criminality. We are talking about police officer, social workers, doctors, politician. You have good politicians, what you mean? You have a woman named Favor Williams. We have enough respect for her. And the brother named Nigel Clark. And Nigel Clark, why Jamaica grow. And the Prime Minister, he don't know nothing. And Nigel Clark are the brains behind the economy. And him know for crunching numbers. They're my numbers guy. Numbers are everything. You think say if Nigel Clark was Prime Minister, you think say him would have up there and got being the man with a murderer. Remember I said soldier murder film uncle in them house. So the man there are victims of criminality in Jamaica. You think say him do it? Andrew Willis no experience that. Nobody no kill none of him son. That's why up there and got being the man we kill Bogle. How you mean? That way I tell you. I just saw it go. So that's why I tell you say them are real heroes. These people deserve our admiration and support. Not someone who glorify a lifestyle that destroy lives and community. It's time to wake up and see Vybz Kartel for what he truly is. A talented artist, yes, but one whose message is deeply corrosive. Vybz Kartel are corrosive and corrubuncus to the fabric of our society. We cannot afford to continue to idolize someone who promotes values antithetical to our nation's progress and well-being. We must reject the glorification of violence and criminality and instead uplift those who are working to build a better future for Jamaica. We must encourage critical thinking, education, and self-empowerment among our youth. They need to understand that true power doesn't come from wielding fear or influence over others, but from uplifting and improving the lives of those around them. Vybz Kartel's influence is a symptom of a deeper problem, and it's time we address it head on. So, before we continue the journey, moving on, we're going to make you listen to what Vybz Kartel say in the interview. Because some of you are dying and I say, we want for ears. So you watch, you listen, and you decide. And then we come back and address it.
Them can't trick me. I remember we adapt, you know. Because we always a change with style. We always a change with sound. You see when they walk out of prison in an orange kerchief, in that style, yeah. And right now kerchief is from $120 to $1,000. Let's think about it. We are the trendsetter from day one.
But the kids who always listen to you, they've moved on to other people though.
Yeah, then move on because
on to other DJs who have a different sort of vibe and flow.
Yeah, but think about this. If you go up on TikTok right now, who are the biggest trending artists? Vybz Kartel, who run TikTok, the kids then. So you find you have some 15-year-old girl and some 16-year-old girl a dance to all. She said she want shatter, she no want a repatter. Them song they are 20 years old in Mr. Miller. Them song they are 18 years old, 21 years old. And that the kids them have vibes too. Because if you compare me to the nowadays youth them, remember Vybz Kartel that same year, the scale I got to it like this. In the same year Bob Marley dead from 1981, and when we look for iTunes, that in the stay so. So I say go, good music can't dead man, and great man live forever.
So now up to the time you know it's Vybz Kartel.
So what did you represent to the system for them to view you as a kind of threat?
Them I say, me mash up the picnic them and I lead them astray. Some I say me have too much influence. So me feel like it's a combination of that. It's not the entire system, you know. Because I mean not the system, because the system does work. I say it there, you know. See me them used to fight Bob Marley. And Bob Marley never sing a gun song yet. So it was never about the lyrics. See me them fight Bob Marley and he never do a gun song. He never tell the girl them fi wine pan them head top. So what them is fighting for? It was always about the influence.
Some people will take offense at the comparison with Bob Marley.
No man no more than a man. I can compare myself with all Jesus. No man no more than a man. From you walk on the earth, you no more than me.
What do you think you represent to the youth today?
Legend, uncle, godfather.
You did go to prison for 13 years, but the fascination preceded your incarceration. Why are people so fascinated by you?
Because I do things my way. I think of that. In the same way when the system rise against me, I stand up on my 2 foot and I fight it. People respect the underdog who can fight back and win, you know. And people respect a youth to come different. So it was a combination of a lot of things that make Vybz Kartel so appealing. Because remember, I stay a prisoner and sell gold and silver, you know. And get artists of the decade, you know. Which the decade they are prison there.
You were busy in prison churning out music.
They want me to do Anthony Miller, I couldn't bake. Me and a baker. So music need to feel right through. As the comedian say, you have to do a one line and a peep if nobody will come. Fever! And I look if the you know, but yeah.
Plus some people were on your side in the institution who were representative of the institution.
No, I don't know about that. I don't know about that.
Did you have to hide and do it?
Yeah.
But you entered prison a star. Did you get star treatment?
I never get A treatment. Mr. Reed, you can't take on my phone again. What big up still.
The return show, set to pull tens of thousands of cartel-starved fans to his first post-prison performance. He says it will be in December. Or is that too soon? Mentions a couple names he'd want alongside him on that stage.
I like people still, you know. So, I don't know. Spice, Skilly Bang.
Are the offers coming in? Can you even take some of those calls?
Yeah man, we take the call them. I love money. The first show in December, Jamaica. We have Trinidad, we have Bahamas, and we are negotiating right now for Grenada and Barbados. So we'll be spinning there like tornadoes. Well, I'm not give you the location, you know, but I think you know what the promoter. Come on, go one man campaign, you know, because it's a hefty sum. Yeah.
What are your expectations?
Mr. Miller, one thing I want to tell the people them out at airport. And I better build some more runway. Because I said I show ya. I think the venue will about 50 to 100,000 people. I mean I tell you say, when the venue fully the 100,000
Yeah, so we live in a world where them say, yeah man, time is money, whether or not you want to believe it, yeah man, time is money. Everything costs money, cause say that's how people worship. But we don't worship money. Money is only of this world. When they can't take money with you. So that's why when I do things, some people, say, oh, you do your things different, sir. Because knowledge is power, Some people say, boy, you go to school, and when you go to school, you have to pay to learn. When I see that is true. But the knowledge that we learn, we don't want to, we don't want to dig out other people's eyes. We don't know that. So that's why people say, over here, if you're in a profit thing. You understand? So we have some exciting news, and we are launching. Yeah, so this is a new video series. So we are thrilled to bring you the first part of an exciting new video series. So as you see right there with the Vybz Kartel, with this Vybz Kartel, him say, yeah, him can compare himself with Jesus Christ, Bob Marley. He never mentioned Marcus Garvey. Marcus Garvey is the last Black Moses to walk this earth. No other guy on this earth can come near to Marcus Garvey. When we say no other guy, we mean no other guy. Them not have the influence. Nobody watch all of the other black people, them where white people give them accolades and awards. Them can't amount to Marcus Garvey because he never sell him soul. And he never sell out him people. Some of them on our door, yeah man, them sell out black people and them still a suffer same here. Them still a second class citizen in their own country. And we are talking about South Africa. Whether or not you want to believe it. Yeah. So as we tell you, so we are thrilled to bring you the first part of an exciting new video series. So due to time constraint, we have broken down today's video into multiple segments to ensure you get the most out of each part. So if you are eager to watch the full video and gain access to exclusive content, we encourage you to subscribe and support us on Patreon. All you have to do is click in the description section and you will see the Patreon. And look, we have a Jamaica, we have a United States channel. If you want, you can check it out. Some people say, we don't want the American when you talk about America, it's over here. This is not nothing to do with America. But yes, we do, but so alright, so to please people in our Patreon, so we create if you're just looking at it in the description, but there's an American channel over there, so you can just subscribe to it. You understand? And when you want to check out a video, you just check it out. We don't really post every day because you understand, but because of complaints from people in our Patreon, we have people from countries all over the world, them just want to say, hey, young police supporter just stick with the channel here, Jamaica Young Police. So we don't want to give you no American thing over here. Just go. Yeah, alright, so we say alright, so we create things, you understand? Yeah, for people who live in America and want to hear American things, so we do it over there too. Because knowledge of power, we don't just keep it one place. So you just click in the description box and join the Patreon squad. So please note that full video access is a privilege reserved for our Patreon members, as maintaining our site requiring ongoing support. Not free, we know say people that we know the socialistic people them. Yeah man, like all the chop man we ask the next man for him. Ask man for him password. How kind of dirty man that? Virgin at $6.99 feet, Yeah, ask the man for him and for man give all him credit card. Cause if man get access to him account, you get access to him credit card information. You think the man a idiot? The man knows say you're Jamaican. Me not wrong him. If you want to hear the thing them in a Patreon, you just subscribe to it at $6.99. I saw you cheap. You understand? You're a real carouse the man and carabunkers. Do better than that, man. Boy, when you drive, you love listen long video and them thing there. You want the video them, you just go over there if you want, and I tell the man to tape things and send it to you. What kind of dirty man behavior that? A dirty man behavior that in a virgin. Yeah, carouse and behavior that, man. Yeah, dirty bungle business that. No matter with that. Socialistic behavior. Patreon members as maintaining our sites requiring ongoing support. So not free, we have to pay for over there. And we have had limit free access due to high volumes of user. You have over 2,000 people that is free. You only love the freeness of Rasta. 2,000 free people and that's $6.99. And hey, so if you have over 2,000, it's a climb. So that's why we just boop. You can't have some thousands of people, man, who want for free. And I like so we are charging nobody like $10, $20 and $30. Yeah, we not compare ourselves with no other person online at Patreon. Because if you go Patreon, you have all people in Africa all over the world on Patreon and various things. You have all Patreon for dog and puss over there and them things and dog food and all them things. And for the membership fee, and people white people. Yeah, just so it go. So we want to express our deepest gratitude to our Patreon members. Your support is the backbone of the Jamaica Young Police Channel squad, enabling us to continue producing the content you love. We are proud to say our squad include members from around the globe. What you mean? England, boy, still, I tell you, England still top it in a Rasta. United States of America, second. Third, Jamaica. Boy, so imagine if Jamaica was like England and America, that me say Jamaica would have top it in because imagine, you understand? United States, man. Then you have Jamaica, Canada, New Zealand, Cayman Islands, Trinidad and Tobago, Sweden, Spain, Germany, Nigeria, South Africa, Italy, Russia, Mexico, Barbados, Turks and Caicos. Your contributions are vital and we cannot thank you enough for your ongoing support. The importance of your feedback. In today's data-driven world, your feedback is invaluable. The compass guides us as we strive to create content that meets your needs and preferences. We have heard your thoughts about the length of our videos, and we are making changes to better suit your busy lives. We are committed to keeping our non-live videos under 40 minutes. This will make our content more accessible and enjoyable, ensuring that you can easily engage with and appreciate what we produce. So some people say, why join Patreon community? Joining our Patreon community isn't just about supporting us. It's about becoming a part of a dedicated group that enjoys exclusive content and special perks. We are committed to offering significant value and exclusivity to our most loyal supporters. Each video will now conclude with a clear call to action, inviting more of you to join our Patreon family and take full advantage of everything we offer. So we have a preview to a book that's coming. It's on Patreon, and all you have to do is subscribe to it, and you will get access to everything else on the channel. We take great pride in responding to your feedback and proactively implementing solutions that cater to your preferences. Your input is crucial to building a supportive community around our channel. It drives us to improve continuously, and we are committed to using your feedback to guide our future content. Together, we will continue to produce excellent work and deepen our connection with you. We appreciate your support, so thank you for being an integral part of our journey. Whether you are watching our videos, sharing our videos, supporting us on Patreon, or providing valuable feedback and comments on the YouTube channel, your contribution is deeply appreciated. Together, we will continue to grow, evolve, and achieve great things, and we look forward to doing so with you by our side. So this is part one of a two-part series. Yes, Vybz Kartel claims he is and compare himself to Jesus Christ and Bob Marley during this live interview. So part two, you will get part two coming up shortly. So have yourself a beautiful day. Jamaica Young Police Channel out.